when is it too late for early supply chain engagement? Like, when have we passed the point of no return, I guess is what I'm asking.
Well, I think when you're doing an outreach for, say, you're trying to get gypsum board and you want to start placing gypsum board in a month, and you reach out to all your vendors and they can only supply a tenth of what you need, and you can't get your first delivery for 6 weeks, you're going to be stuck for a while. Things in the infrastructure, water, wastewater, and those large projects, you will have pumps that are 30, 40 weeks out. A lot of times those are specified during the engineering phase. And at Victaulic, we've had several projects where we work with the engineers. We do a lot of large diameter, 100-inch plus couplings on large pipelines. And we'll work with the engineers, we'll be specified, we'll be drawn, and then sometimes we'll get a PO directly from the owner even before they're ready to hire their contractor. So you have early procurement, and then that PO is then assigned to the contractor. So we can get 8 to 12 weeks worth of lead time in building these things, getting the materials, finishing the engineering, and having product. The Northeast treatment plant in Houston is an example of that. We had 60 of our W257 dynamic movement joints, which enable pipe to move underground in response to ground conditions and not fail. And those were an early procurement item, early engineered through the owner and the contractor, which is a joint venture of Jacobs and CDM Smith.